How to fix VLC Media Player lagging and skipping while playing 4K or HD videos. So in order to fix this issue, let's first open a VLC Media Player and go to Tools and select Preferences, or you can simply press Ctrl B on your keyboard. From here, on the bottom left corner, you can see Source Settings. Make that to All. Go to Input and Codecs, and under this Preferred Video Resolution, make sure it is either Full HD or Best Available. Now expand the video codecs and select FFmpeg and set the threads value to 2. Now select X264 and select the reference frame to 3. Now under video, select the output module as automatic and click on save, and also go to Tools again and open a Preferences, and under Input and Codecs, make sure it is either automatic or disable. If you have automatic, you can disable it, or if you have disabled hardware accelerated decoding, make it automatic and click on save, and this should help to fix your problem. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.